We are going to go over a big update. We finally released the master list database. This is for agency owners. Before we get into the demo, I want to describe what is a master database. By master database, I mean a list of all lists. So you have every client that has their enriched contact lists all in their own database within RevyOps, but you have a master list of all of those contacts in one place. From this master list, you can query down to any subsegment that you have, say North American CTOs, like you would in a normal database, export it via CSV, or you can do it via API. You get the endpoint for the entire list, or as always, you can do this via client databases as well. As web scraping gets harder, Apify is going down, and you're enriching so much of the data in Clay, who is now charging you more for Clay enrichments. You can save all of those Clay credits and all of those enrichment efforts all in one place across all clients. So you're creating the master list forever. This means all the enrichments across your sequencers, across, say, in HubSpot or some other CRM, or anything that happens across multiple tools, you get the master list all in one place. This is going to save you money and time, and it gives you the positioning of having the best data set on planet Earth for your particular offer in your particular niche. So that's the big update. We're going to get into the demo right now. So as you guys know, you have all of your clients here. They're all individual client databases. What you can now do is you can come under here, underneath this master list, and you can click into it. The first time it loads, it might take about 4 to 5 seconds to load, but then it will cache and you'll be able to get to it faster. Just like the normal list that you can find up here for every client, this is the roll up of all clients into one place. Now, the current version allows for you to see every single contact that is across every single company. So you can see here on the left underneath client name, it allows you to see which one of these contacts, like Chris Struble, is associated with this particular client, as an example. If I go ahead and I expand this to say 1,000 rows, we'll see more clients that would be associated here across all of my clients. So we have a bunch of these test clients, fake clients. Just like within the contact list, you can do all the normal things you would do. You can do the filters that you want to do. You can go ahead and do an export like you would want to. The really big deal is that underneath your integrations tab, underneath Clay, you can now see there is this thing called master database versus client database. So if you come under the master database, it will be the same API key regardless of what client you're in. You can go ahead and look at that. You can copy it and you'll see there's these search for contact, get contact, search contacts by customer field or custom field, and then the company's search. So you can do this within Clay now via API as well as via export. What we're going to be doing here as well within the master list is the ability to also only view unique emails. That's going to be a button right here. That is coming at the next release, probably a week or two, but you'll be able to click on that and it will only show you unique emails in case you want to do an export. You could also just export a CSV and just say only deduplicate, but that's coming as well. The reason we didn't include it in the first release is simply because of performance issues and we wanted it to go fast. But here you go, master list, you got it here. Now you can start creating your own Apollo. The key thing to this, guys, is just make sure that across all your client databases, try to use the same schema or columns in your Clay tables so that when you have a master roll up, everybody has the same column and schema. It makes for cleaner data. If you have to, you can remember, go into your contact list and you can clean up your schema in case you didn't do this as a starting point. Come under manage columns, choose whatever column you want to merge together, and then you can do that, or you can rename them and choose, say, for example, I'll choose this random title one, and you could rename this to something else. So you can clean up your schema across databases. It's just so much easier if you do that on the front end, making sure that in Clay, all of your Clay tables are the same. So I hope this has been helpful. Really excited to get this into your hands. It's a huge product update. There's so much more coming down the pipeline in terms of product improvements. So stay tuned. We're going to be rolling out so much over the next 4 to 8 weeks. Really appreciate you guys. And let me know if you have any questions. If you need support here, we can always jump on a call, as you guys know. Talk to you soon.